So, my dear friends, we know that there are various religions, right? And these religions are not the same. Why they are not the same? Because all these religions deal something differently on the idea of salvation and liberation. And also there are some other concepts on which also they deal differently. And therefore we can say that the religion is not the same, but the religions are different, right? And we cannot say the religion is same, right? If the religion would have been same, then we would not have talked about Islamism, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Taoism and Shintoism, right? We would not have talked. We would not have, we would have talked about only one religion. Therefore, the religions are many, they are not same. Therefore, we talk about the manyness of religion, right? God could be one, right? But the religion is not one, religions are many. God could be one, but the religions are many, right? We all have understood God in many different ways, as we know and we come to know in the religion, in various religion. Therefore, we can say that there are many religions, and it is a fact there are many religions, not one religion, right? So if there are many religions, then the question is this, then how should we see peace and harmony in the world, right? So if we want to see peace and harmony in this world, that means every person should have the element of peace, the element of acceptance and tolerance, right? Let the person should inculcate tolerance and acceptance. If the person has these two elements in their mind and heart, that means the person has an acceptance of other religion. The person will think, let me accept as he is, and let me tolerate as his religion is, right? Therefore, every person should have these two elements, acceptance and tolerance, so that all may think, let us accept them as they are. Let us tolerate the idea of salvation as they have, as they did on that particular religion, right? So the person should inculcate and develop within their mind and heart the sense of tolerance and acceptance. Then only we can see peace and harmony in the world. And also the religions, it talks about salvation of idea in different ways. So finally we come in conclusion with two approaches on the idea of salvation: intrinsic approach and extrinsic approach, right? Intrinsic approach, in that there are some religions which claim that every person will get salvation, right? In intrinsic approach, we see that there are some religions which claim that every person of this world, according to their own religion, they will get salvation. There is something truth in their religion, and they will get salvation according to their own religion. Whereas extrinsic approach, this religion claim that no, only this is the only religion which can lead the people towards the salvation, which can lead the people towards God. So there are some religion which hold the extrinsic approach, does not include the other religion, only it shows its superiority, that no other religion but only this particular religion can lead the people to God and can give salvation. So these are the ideas of the religion, and therefore people should have tolerance and acceptance, so that there will be peace and harmony in the nation, in the world. So let me come to the first question that I had asked in the first video on the philosophy of religion. I had raised question that do we see really peace and harmony in the name of religion? As we had defined, the religion is nothing but it is the binding force and the source of peace and harmony. But do we see peace and harmony in the religion, or do we see it is a binding force? No, right? Why do we not see? Because people have understood many different ways, right? Religion is exactly the binding force and the source of peace and harmony. But the people, they do not understand what exactly religion is, right? They try to show the superiority of their own religion. They say, my religion is only the best and others are false, right? Those who have this type of attitude, they only create chaos and disharmony in the world, in the nation, in the society, right? So the person should have the sense of tolerance and acceptance. Then only we can have peace and harmony. And let them interpret their holy text in correct way. And because of the misinterpretation of the holy textbook, sometimes we see disharmony and disorder in the world, right? So we have philosophized on the philosophy of religion. We have come to know and we have gone deeper and deeper on the religion, and we have come to know something about the religion, what exactly religion is. So now it is up to you. How do you accept the religion in your life? Do you think there is God, or do you think there is no God? It is up to you. We have seen so far about the religion, we have philosophized on it. And let us try to know ourselves what religion exactly according to me. How do I define the religion? And how do I understand on the religion? So let us check ourselves and know more and more about the religion. This is not enough. We can go deeper and deeper on religion, and then we can have the better understanding on the religion.